Welcome back to Healthy Horizon. Today we're diving into Intermittent Fasting 2.0, the latest science-backed methods that are taking the health world by storm. If you've tried the 16:8 method, but want to take it to the next level for better fat loss, energy, and cellular repair, you're in the right place. Let's break down what's new and how to do it safely. First, a quick refresher. Intermittent fasting, is an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting. The most common form? 16:8, 16 hours of fasting and an 8-hour eating window. It helps reduce insulin levels, boost metabolism, and even promote cellular cleanup, known as autophagy. But here's what's trending now, Intermittent Fasting 2.0. These are more advanced versions of that push the benefits even further. Let's look at the top 3. This is intense, but powerful. You fast for 36 hours, for example, finish dinner on Sunday, then don't eat until Tuesday morning. Why do it? It activates deep autophagy, lowers inflammation, and boosts growth hormone levels. But only try it once a week and with medical guidance if you're new to fasting. Created by Dr. Walter Longo, the Fasting Mimicking Diet lets you eat small amounts of food while getting the same benefits as a full fast. It usually lasts 5 days and includes specific low-protein, high-fat, low-carb meals, think, soups, nuts, and olives. Perfect for people who want cellular regeneration without fully starving. Great for longevity. This one's simple, you eat once per day. That's it. A big, nutritious meal, usually dinner. It's popular for fat loss and insulin sensitivity. But not ideal for everyone, especially if you're active or have blood sugar issues. Let's be clear, Intermittent Fasting 2.0 isn't for everyone. You should not try advanced fasting if you're pregnant or breastfeeding, underweight, have a history of eating disorders, or are on medications like insulin. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting. Here are some quick tips if you're ready to level up. 1. Stay hydrated. Drink lots of water, herbal tea, or black coffee. 2. Electrolytes matter, especially for longer fasts, use salt or supplements. 3. Break your fast gently, start with bone broth, eggs, or avocado. 4. Track how you feel, use a fasting app or journal. Fasting isn't about starving, it's about healing your body from the inside out. Want to supercharge your fasting? Pair it with light exercise like walking or yoga, cold showers or sauna sessions, a low-carb, whole foods diet. When used together, these habits can boost your metabolic flexibility and longevity even more. So, what do you think of Intermittent Fasting 2.0? Would you try a 36-hour fast or the Fasting Mimicking Diet? Drop a comment below, I read every one. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who's into wellness, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Horizon for more science-backed health tips every week.